think about the crucial nature, the importance of uh, embracing each emphasis that the Lord makes as humans with God, march through time, and God releases one emphasis for one period of time, and then the next one. Well, about 10 years or more ago, there was the emphasis on grace. And, there were some who were squeamish about that and some who actually resisted it. And that was a little frustrating to me. But anyway, we take care of ourselves and we keep our nose clean and we keep moving on. Well, anyway, then, you guys championed the Mirror Bible and just a ton of really great insights that help build on the grace message. And I feel with all my heart that each one of those installments or emphasis that the Lord made were crucial in building the building of faith in our lives, the believing system, the mindsets that create a suitable structure upon which He can rest His headship. And especially when He's taken us above the line these days, uh, if we don't have some of those foundational building blocks in place, I don't know if we can actually go above the line. Because, for instance, let's just take the grace message. I'm getting on my little preaching soapbox here. uh, if we try to go above the line but we didn't get the grace message, about the first time you're going to go into new territory and it's going to be exhilarating, and then you stub your toe. You're going to do something, some big sin. You're going to do something, and all of a sudden, man, you will disqualify yourself, and you'll have to go way back down to earth and start all over again if you didn't get those building blocks in place.
My way back up.
Yeah, that's right. And that's just one application of how those building blocks are crucial in helping us to live above the line.